Hello everyone. So in this video we will talk about how to use and or not with the where clause. So and or and not are the logical operators which can be used to combine two or more conditions together. So if we have two or more conditions, so in the and operator and they are combined with the and operator. So this will result true if all the conditions are true. That means let's say you have condition A and condition B and this is combined with A and B. So let's say we make the truth table true true, false, false, true and false false. So the resultant will be true if and only if both the results are true. So in the case of and, the result will be true only in this case, and uh, after all except this case, all the resultant will be false. So here one is true, one is false, so this will be false. One is false, one is true, again this will be false, and here both are false. So false and false will be false. So this will result true only in this case where both of the conditions are true. Next, if we talk about or operator, so or operator will give the result true if any one, any at least if any one of the condition is true, then it will be give the result as true. So it if we talk about here, so let's say we have condition A, B, and these two conditions are combined with A or B. So if we make truth table true true, true false, false true, and false false. So true or true, one is true, so this will give result as true. Here also true or false, so one is true, then it will result as true. Here also one is true, then it will be give result as true. But here both of the uh, values A and B are false, so this will gives result as false. And last, if we talk about not operator, so not operator is very simple. If this is A, then not of A will what? If it is true, then result will be false, and if it is false, then result will be true. That means it reverse the result. So for true, it will make it as false, and for false, it will make it as a true. So now we will saw some is a SQL practice question based on these conditions. So in the first question, we have to select products whose price is more than 50,000 and weight less than 1 kg. So first we will saw the data, how our data will look like. So here is the data. Product, this is the data for product, and this is these are the columns: product ID, then product description. This contains the name of the product class code, which defines in which category the product is, then product price of the product, quantity available, length, width, height, and their weight. Okay, so before this we have to use this is inside the orders database. So first we have to use the query use orders. Okay, and run this query. Okay, so this database is now selected, and if we to select a star from what is the name of the table? Product. Select star from product. If we fire this query, then you can see that our result is in this from. Okay, so from this result we have to select products whose price is more than 15,000. Okay, so we will write select a star from what is the name of table? Product. Okay, where in the previous lecture we had saw that we were using only a single condition, but in this we have to use two conditions whose price is more than 10,000. So what is the name of column for price? it is product price. So we will write product price. Okay, whose product price is greater than 15,000 and whose weight is less than 1 kg. So what is the column name for product weight? It is weight. Okay, WEIGHT, whose weight is less than 1 kg. Okay, so here the weight is given in kg. So we will only write 1. So if we fire this query, you can see that there are 3 products whose product price are greater than 15,000 and whose weight is less than 1 kg. Okay, so moving to next question. We in this question we have to select products having price less than 100 or price more than 20,000. So in this question, we have to select either the cheaper product or the costliest product. Okay. So we will write the query select star from the star select star from what is the name of table product select a star from product where price is greater than so first we have to select where price is greater than 100. So what we will use or yeah and so here we will use or price is greater than 20,000. So using this we will get all the products with price less than 100 and with price greater than 20,000. Okay, so what is the error? Okay, so we had uh, used the wrong column name, so we will change this product price and here also product price. So if we now fire this query, you can see that uh, these many products whose you can see that product with price 35,000, 28,000, and these are the products with price less than 100. Okay, moving to the next question, we have to select products excluding product with class code 3000. So these are the class codes. Okay, so we have to select all the products excluding the product which class code is 3000. So first we will select the product with class code 3000. Okay, so select star from product where what is the name of for the column name for the product class is product class code product class code is equal to 3000. So if we select this will give the result as okay. So here I think some issue. Okay, there is space. So now again if we fire this, so we will get 4 records. Okay, but we want to exclude this product with product class 3000. So we will write here not. Okay, so if we write here not, then we will get all the products excluding the product with class code 3000. So now you can see that all the products excluding product class code 3000 are in our result. Okay, hope you have liked this video and understood how to use different uh, logical operators with the where clause. Okay,